Hello guys, in today's video I'll talk about how to fix WhatsApp group link not working problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Next, go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to turn the Bluetooth off and turn it on, or turn the Wi-Fi off and turn it on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all the files and the media and the chats and the settings and the databases will be deleted, so be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.